Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Blazing Beards. So guys, today I am going to do a video, as I promised in my last video on Chesapeake Beard Company. I am going to do a review of the Command CoWash. Now this CoWash is named after and done in collaboration with another YouTuber, Dan C. Bearded, so most of you probably know him. And he did this collaboration with Chesapeake Beard Company to make this CoWash. I've heard a lot of great things about this CoWash and I really wanted to try it. I've heard some people say that, hey, they wish that the scent of this CoWash was made in a beard oil and a beard balm because they loved it so much. And from what I understand, it does a great job conditioning. It really ups your beard game is what people told me. So I was anxious to try it. It is a very difficult product to get. Chesapeake Beard Company, this is, I think, probably one of their most popular products in that it's always out of stock. So every once in a while you'll go on Instagram and you'll see that, they'll post something that says, hey, Command CoWash is back in stock. They also have other CoWashes. They have several other scents in the CoWash. They got one called the Miyagi CoWash, a Calvary CoWash, a Tribute CoWash. And the scents on those all sound amazing as well. I'm not going to get into those. But, if you can't get this one, get one of the other ones and you'll probably be happy. But sometimes those are all out of stock as well. I think this is a very tough product for Chesapeake Beard Company to keep in stock. Anyway, I finally did get some of this Command CoWash. I've been using it for about a week or so, and I'm going to give you my opinions and impressions on it. And first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to read for you what it says on Chesapeake's website as to the product specifications. So Command CoWash is a collaboration with Dan C., infamous YouTube reviewer. This deep conditioning product allows you to keep your beard clean and soft during non-standard washing days. CoWash can be used alone or after a deep cleansing with beard wash or pine tar soap. Command CoWash provides a soft and gentle scent of driftwood, sea salt, which will not overpower your beard or interfere with other products. To use, simply place 2 to 4 pumps, a quarter-size amount in the hand, lather up and massage into beard. Use CoWash daily and in conjunction with regular wash days. The product is all natural, sulfate and paraben free. It's 8 ounces and the ingredients in it are water, aloe vera juice, shea butter, avocado oil, wheat germ oil, silver dihydrogen citrate, citric acid, and essential fragrance oil blends. So, you guys know I've done a lot of reviews on conditioners. I did one review that compared all the ingredients in 6 different, I guess popular conditioners. And I was kind of shocked at the ingredients that I found in a lot of my conditioners. And that's why I was excited to try this one, because they say it's all natural. And so I looked up the ingredients, and it is almost all natural. It does have one synthetic ingredient in there, and I guess it depends on how you define synthetic. The ingredient, obviously, is the silver dihydrogen citrate. So what is silver dihydrogen citrate? It sounds ominous, but it's actually a pretty good ingredient to put in a beard conditioner. It is not an all-natural product, so that statement in their description is wrong. It is a synthetic product, but how they make it is they basically take 2 silver electrodes and they have a citrate or a citric acid solution, and they immerse the electrodes into the citric acid solution and they run a current through it. That releases silver ions. The silver ions then bond with the citric acid and it creates a solution, and that's the solution that they use and they put into the product. So silver is a natural product, citric acid is a natural product, but it's synthetic because it does not exist naturally in nature. It's something that is created. So the ions from the silver bond with the citric acid and creates a solution, and that's the solution that they're using. So I guess it could be argued, they're both natural products, but they're synthetically combined together. It is actually really interesting. I did some reading on this product and on the citric dihydrogen citrate, and it is really cool. What it does is these silver ions bind to the citric acid, and it works by the citric acid in that combined molecule. When it's put into the product, if any bacteria start to develop, what happens is that bacteria is attracted to the citric acid. They use it as a food source. So they'll be attracted to that molecule, and they will go to that molecule and they will ingest it. That's the bacteria will ingest the molecule. And then the molecule will actually attach to the bacteria's DNA and destroy it. So it's actually a pretty cool thing. It's a great preservative, and it kills, the bacteria that is in any products, and it keeps it, fresh for a long time. So that is what it is, and does it bother me that it's in there? No, not at all. It's actually a good ingredient to have. All the beard conditioners, just the nature of it, because it's wet, and it's like a pasty type thing. It could be a breeding ground for bacteria if they didn't use products to keep bacteria out. So I am not at all worried about the silver dihydrogen citrate. It's a good ingredient. So all the other ingredients in here are fantastic. How does this product feel in beard? So let me show you what the product looks like. So this is the bottle, and again, it's a nice bottle. It's I wish it was see-through. It's not see-through, so you can't really tell how much you have left in it. So that I don't like. What I do like is the top on the bottle. It's one of these pop-up type tops, so that you can just turn it over and squeeze out your product. And that's my preferred method of using a conditioner. But in case you like the pump action, it also came with a pump. So I think that's pretty nice too. The pump, you'd screw off this top, screw this one on, and then you can pump out your conditioner. I don't use it because I actually like this delivery method. What does the product look like? So I'm going to pour a little bit out, and you can see it. It's just a white. It is just a white conditioner. It's pretty thick. It's not too thick, but you can see that. It's not going to run or anything. It's actually really nice. It's very creamy, and it goes in your beard super easily. So, I've tried a lot of different conditioners, and some conditioners you put them in, and you got to keep working it around. It takes you a long time to make it feel like it's completely throughout your beard. This stuff is one of the easiest spreading conditioners I've ever used. I mean, you just put it in, you just rub it on a little bit, and within seconds, your whole beard feels like it's being moisturized. It feels like every single strand of beard hair gets covered almost immediately. It spreads that easy. So I really like that. And it definitely felt while it was in there. You don't feel it doing the job, but just the way it's coated, you know that your beard is being conditioned. So I really like the consistency of this, and the slickness in the way that it goes into your beard. So very, very nice. In terms of the scent, I don't know that I would want this scent in a beard balm or a beard oil. And not because it's a bad scent. It is, in my opinion, mine doesn't have any scent. So it is just basically a clean smelling conditioner. So, it's supposed to be, driftwood and something else, I don't know. But anyway, mine doesn't have any scent. I mean, I put it on and I was hoping to smell that, nice scent that other people described. But unfortunately, mine doesn't have any scent. Now, does that bother me? No, it doesn't really bother me, because I don't want to have in my beard conditioner or my beard wash something that, lingers in your beard, will conflict with your beard oil and beard balm. And this one definitely won't. It has no scent after, you're washing it out. I really didn't smell any scent putting it in. If I open the bottle and smell it, I don't really smell anything except maybe a little bit of cleanness, just kind of like a unscented soap or something like that, but no real scent to it. I do like, using, like, I use an Honest Amish shampoo or their bar, and in the shower that's really nice. You put it in, and that smell fills up the shower with the steam and everything, and that smell is really nice. I really like it. This one does not do that, but to me, it's not really something that I would say is negative about it. It smells clean, but it does not have a scent that I could discern. So anyway, that is my review on Command CoWash. Would I buy it again? Yes, I definitely would. It does the job. It does an amazing job. After my shower and I dry out my beard, it combs through really easily. My beard is soft. It seems to be more manageable. When I blow dry it, it seems to hold its shape pretty well, and I'm not sure if that's exactly to the conditioner or other products that I use, but it is definitely one of the better conditioners I've ever tried, and I would highly recommend that you guys go out and try it. If you want that strong scent in your conditioner, I would definitely try one of their other scents that this comes in, because like I said, this one did not have any scent. And maybe I just got a bottle that had less scent put in it or something. But anyway, that doesn't bother me. I think if you buy this, you will be very happy with the results. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And until next time, guys, grow yourselves a blazing beard. See ya.